Hey guys, so it has been about a year since I did an unboxing of my last MacBook, and I decided to upgrade. Actually, my husband told me to upgrade because he wanted a MacBook, but he knows I use it for work, obviously for my blog, and he thought it'd just be fair for me to upgrade mine and then he would take my old one. So an upgrade for me is getting the 16-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar. So the one that I have, looking off my receipt, is the one that is $25.99. $25.99? Yes, $25.99. I had that student discount, so it took off $200, but it is $23.99. And then with that student discount, it also comes with the AirPods as well for free. So I got my husband actually AirPods for Father's Day, so I'm just gonna return it and then just give him the ones that I got for free. And the one that I have, get back to what I was talking about, is the 16 gigabyte 5300 M 512 gigabyte one, which is the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I will actually leave just exact link for the one that I have because I'm probably sound really dumb trying to explain it, but this is the one. Look how pretty it is. It's so big. I don't even know if it's gonna fit in any of my cases, but it'll be worth it. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of everything that comes inside of this box and what you can expect inside of your new 16-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar. So this is exactly how your box will look like when you get your MacBook Pro. You're gonna take the little plastic seal off and then you're just gonna slide the top of it off. Takes a little elbow grease, but there you go. There is your MacBook. And then there's a little lip that you can pull it off, but I'm going to show you the charger first, along with the little booklet that has like the Apple sticker and the pamphlet, and then the base for the charger, and there's nothing else underneath that. So now back to the MacBook. You're going to take it out of the little plastic film, slide it out, and then when you open it, there'll be another little paper film over the screen to protect it, and the computer will automatically turn right on when you open it up. So now I'm going to do a little side-by-side of the 2019 13-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar. You can kind of see the size difference between the two. I will leave an exact link to my old unboxing video just so you can get an idea of the two computers. All right, so that was unboxing of the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and I kind of briefly showed you my old MacBook, which was the 13-inch MacBook Pro with the touch bar, but I am going to show you just a side-by-side comparison. Here is my old one. I still love it. It's a great computer, and I'm not giving it up because it's going to my husband, so I can still look at it every now and then. But just so I can give you a realistic view of what it is compared to the 16-inch, you can see how much bigger it is. And weight, mine is pretty light. I have a case on it, which adds more weight to it, but I want to say this weighs the same as this with the case. So it is a little bit heavier, but I don't take my computer everywhere with me. I mean, I do when I travel, but I don't carry it everywhere with me, so the weight of a laptop is really not a big deal for me. I just prefer having a laptop versus a desktop because I just simply don't have the space for a designated spot for a desktop. So that's why I do the laptop, and I figured I'll just go bigger since I use it every single day. But yeah, so that was the unboxing of it, and I hope you guys liked it. Yeah, that's really good. So thank you for watching, and if you're into family content and family travel, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and just follow me on Instagram, where you can see all my cute kids. Not really computer stuff, but just a lot of family stuff. So thank you again, guys. Bye.